Suppose you are watching your favorite TV series on the television or trying to getting refreshed by the electric fan or doing something with the lamp, whatever you are doing by the electricity. Suppose that moment electricity has been gone or broken and you forget to switch off our electric device. Yeah, it's usually happen with us because we see our electric device is not running. However, what happens if you are not exist after broken electricity in your home or you are not exist around on the electric device? Your all electric device will be automatically running when electricity again back in your home. So if your electric device will be automatically running through the electricity, it will be unexpected. Sometimes it's unexpected. Also lost extra electricity. Thereby you need to pay extra bill of electricity. So if you would like to automatically switch off for electric device when electricity again back in your home or prevent extra pay bill for electricity, you have to use a smart switching. So here is a question: how can I use a smart switching in my home, in my office or factory, and how does work a smart switching in a particular circuit? Hi everyone and welcome here on the ElectroMath Academy. I'm Thyristor as your amplifier. Yeah, I would like to amplify you on the circuit. I've been working in the circuit and printed circuit board, PCB, many years. So right now I would like to explain with you about a smart switching. So I think before explanation, you have to know the principle of the transistor and SCR. SCR means silicon control rectifier. As you can see here, this one and this one is mechanical structure of SCR and transistor. Transistor has 3 layers with 2 junctions and SCR has 4 layers with 3 junctions. And every layer individually is separate but internally connect to each other by the depletion layer. As a transistor has 3 terminals, emitter, base and collector, and SCR has 3 terminals, anode, cathode and gate. So without base biasing or gate triggering, transistor and SCR behavior like as insulator. But when you provide base biasing or triggering, it would be conductor. So what exactly main fact difference between transistor and SCR? So if you want to collect the current of the transistor, you have to always base biasing of the transistor. But in this case, SCR is different. You need a long time biasing of the SCR. If you would like to flow the current through the SCR, just need 1 K trigger. That's enough to current flow the SCR. So I think you something got it, principle of the transistor and SCR. So come to the main point. As you can see here, this circuit is DC load control switching. There are 2 controlling a smart switching system. First one is DC load control switching and AC load control switching. So this one is DC load control switching. This is SCR with has 3 load. Suppose electricity exists in your home or circuit. So if I provide the gate triggering of the SCR by the switch and resistor R2, then your electronic device will be running. But after few minutes or moment, if your electricity broken, your all electronics device will be stopped. But after a long moment, when electricity again back your home, your electronic device will be not running. That's why this called a smart switching. So here's a question: why electronic device doesn't running when electricity again back in your home? So look at what exactly was SCR behavior. If you provide just 1 gate trigger of SCR, then SCR is able to flow the current until the anode current is 0. So when electricity has been gone in the circuit, that moment SCR anode current has been 0. That's why current when again back your circuit, your electronic device didn't work. So after all, you don't have lost electricity and you don't have pay extra bill for electricity. So here's a question: if I need switch off for electronic device, how can I do it? There are 2 options. You can off your electronic device by the 0 of anode current. First one is series current interrupt of SCR. Second one is shunt current interrupt of SCR. If I did this way interrupt, SCR anode current would be 0. So why used R2 resistor? If I directly trigger without resistor by the voltage source, SCR would be destroyed. So if you want to perfectly current flow through the SCR, you have to provide a little bit current with voltage for gate triggering. So second one is controlling system for AC load. By the previous circuit, you can control AC load. So if you want to control AC load by the SCR, you have to use electromagnetic relay. So this is electromagnetic relay, and this one is flyback diode of electromagnetic relay. And you also know why using flyback diode of electromagnetic relay. If you don't know, don't worry. In our previous video, we were explained about flyback diode, and you can watch our previous video. Well, this one is voltage source with 3 load. When SCR active through that triggering, relay behavior would be as a switch, and this terminal would be shipped to another terminal, and your electric device will be running. If your anode current is 0 through the broken electricity, and after again electricity back into the anode current of SCR, that moment without gate triggering, relay would be doesn't active. So well, I think you got it about a smart switching. If you are having any question, you can leave the comment box. Thank you everyone.